You've probably heard phrases like SEO is dead or search is dead thrown around by people since the rise of artificial intelligence creeping into all aspects of search and marketing. Features such as Google's AI overview are now present in way over 50% of searches, meaning the focus for us as digital marketers is to get you featured in this section just as much, if not more, than the top of the traditional search results. It's because of this that people say SEO is dead or dying, because undeniably the application of SEO is changing and the performance indicators we're looking for are evolving towards AI search. The truth is, featuring in AI search results, whether it's Google's AI overview or through AI engines such as ChatGPT or Gemini, requires similar methods and optimization tactics as SEO. You need to create high quality, unique and concise content. Optimize your website for search engine crawlability. Keep content fresh, relevant and valuable to the user. And avoid over-explanations or over-complicated content. As many of you may already know, this is a very similar approach to what us SEO experts were already doing. But don't just take our word for it. We've got the results to show we know this works. Take Lacey Plumbing Heating as an example of one of our long-standing clients. When someone searches what to consider when upgrading radiators, not only does Lacey Plumbing Heating appear in the search results, they're actually featured directly within Google's AI overview, quoted as a trusted source of advice. That's not just a link, it's Google's own AI surfacing and summarising their expertise as part of the answer. This kind of placement is premium digital real estate. It gives Lacey Plumbing Heating authority, visibility and trust, all before a user even scrolls down the search results. And more importantly, it drives qualified, high-intent traffic because users are getting answers, not just clicking through. We're seeing this benefit across all industries, even retail. For instance, another client of ours, Lelli Kelly Shoes, was recently cited in an AI overview explaining how to tell if a child has narrow feet. Rather than being hidden by AI summaries, the brand has surfaced as an expert source of helpful and informative content. That kind of exposure builds credibility and brand recognition organically, showing that AI overviews don't have to replace SEO, they can actually enhance it. It's also worth pointing out that AI overviews don't actually replace traditional SEO rankings, and that in many cases, they're just enhancing them. Take this example for what is fleet insurance. Fleetcover not only appears in the AI overview as part of the summary, but also holds the #1 spot in the traditional search results right below it. This shows that the same website optimization strategies work for both organic rankings and AI overview features. So rather than competing with SEO, AI overviews are spotlighting the very content that's already well optimized and reliable. For brands doing SEO right, this means even more visibility and credibility. If you learn something new, hit that like and follow for more AI breakdowns. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We read them all and come back to you.